Alright, so in case, for those of you who are wondering, icicles are a problem. We know this. They fall on your head, kill you, they're annoying, just not that pleasant. So, I have a little something to take care of them with. This is a 550 FPS assault rifle, airsoft, of course. So, let's see what happens. Eye protection, because don't be a noob. My targets. Let's get up a little closer, because I can't shoot one-handed very well. Ran out of ammo. So, that was really fun actually. Just so you know, airsoft gun will quite adequately take out icicles. If only my aim was better.